easy. You all know that a machine. It is the one which was created by a man. So human brains are considered as the master of computers. So our group discussion topic is computer controls human mechanism. Discuss. Human machine system is a system in which the functions of the human operator or a group of operators and a machine are integrated. Computer. It is an electronic device which performs the arithmetical operators, logical operators, etc.
Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. In olden days, computers are very big in size. In present days, computers are like nano size. In the first generation, computers are vacuum tubes. Second generation, transistors. Third generation, integrated circuits. Fourth generation, nanotechnology. So computers are very important in our life, human life.
In my point of view, as computers are more useful for humans, it is easy for humans, making their work easy. As computers are very useful for humans for their work, but computers are using but by using more computers, humans are losing their creativity.
In my point of view, computers are inventions by humans which can be used for calculations and running programs. This trait is mainly associated with living things. According to my point of view, computers are serial process and humans are parallel process. Computers are mostly rational and humans are irrational. How I have a question for all of us. Computers are smarter than computers are smarter while comparing to humans.
In my point of view, computers are not smart as humans because computers are a machine that only do the work. But coming to human has a capability of doing work and making work. For example, computer is an electronic device that works on electricity, where human has the power of creating and developing. So I can say that computer can't control human power.
Yes, I agree with you, Rakesh. But computers are not controlling the human, but it causes many disadvantages. For example, wasting. Many of them are sitting before computers and wasting their time unnecessary activities, and it leads to insomnia, and it has an ill effect on children, and it makes you vulnerable cyber crimes and losing their creativity.
So I agree with you so much. Actually, computers are created by the humans, but nowadays all human beings are totally dependent on the computers. They are not use their own skills. If you want anything, they are directly depending on the computers. For example, our topic is computer controls human mechanism. This topic is learning. All of us are totally dependent on the computer, not our books, referring the books, etc. So it kills the creativity.
In my point of view, computer is very useful. There are many advantages of computer. It plays a prominent role. It can solve many problems where the man cannot be solved. There is a lot of useful computer. It performs many operations. It plays a prominent role. Computer is used in everywhere. Computer is used in software side. There is a lot of profit by using computers. Now everyone is using computers. Not only Unless small people are also using computers, children. So computers are useful every day.
I agree with you. In my point of view, a coin which is it has both positive and negatives. So for our topic also there are both advantages and disadvantages. So I may say that it is controlling our mechanisms. That is, the computer is controlling the human mechanism.
Recently, yes, our friends said that everyone are using computers. Just we are becoming slaves to the computers, not we are creating anything. If someone creates something, just we are using that creativity, and we are not creating something.
Yeah, I suppose you, Somesh. We should be like an engineer or someone else. That means we have to create a thing, not we have to use it. After reinventing by one, we can use that, but it is not a better way. If we create something and if our work has been done by the remaining members, it will give a fruitful result.
That's only we are using that, but we are not.
Hungary, today only 1% of humans are only created computers, but all are the number one. So many members are dependent on the computers. They are not using their own skills.
As I agree with you, Gayatri, in my point of view, human brains are masters for the computers, because we created the computers. We have to develop the computers. So I think that computers is main base. Humans are main base for everything.
Computers are only machines that were created by man, and the data you are saying to Gayatri, that was only 1% of humans are creating computers. And I say that the computers created by humans are, the data was given to the computer by the human, and it was used by lots of people.
Using that creativity of all the people, we are losing our creativity. For example, if you want to know about anyone biography, just we are go through it computers, and we are losing our eyesight. Many of them are sitting before the computers for many times, and they are losing their eyesight. Rather than seeing computers long time, just if you go for library, or if you go for library, we can learn more things. That sometimes in computers the Google history of it's false, but in books it's not like that. It's completely true. And
human machine system is the term which is we use it that to emphasize the operations of a human as a single entity which interacts with the external environment. So if we want any reference, we can have an app such as Google. We are using it. So I support with you so much. It is good to reference a book in the library than to use that for more time.
As our friend Somesh said, if computer have more time, people become more and more used to computers, because we are gathering information through computers. So we have to we are losing our intelligence by depending on computers. So we have to try different when compared to other things.
Okay, we'll end the show. Okay? Computer controls human mechanism, and this is that mechanical. Now I know this topic has a lot of depth within. unless you have a lot of command on content. Can you all please set the microphones properly into their positions? This one also, that one, carefully. Alright. Will you all look at me now, the participants? Shall you all give me a beautiful smile on your face? Great. I should read out some of the general comments that I have made. As a whole, the discussion looks little passive. Of course, you all could not go deep into it because the topic is little boring. There's no much depth within computer controls human mechanisms. Whatever you speak, you need to speak on how human mechanism has been followed. Do you have mechanism in human? Do you feel that human life is mechanical? Then how controlling power that can be taken over by a computer? So all this, having very less depth within for the topic, maybe you could not do very well. Still, candidates 1, 5, 6, 8 are recommended to be kept in pipeline. You are not purely taken in, you are provisionally selected. If at all this discussion is meant for my recruitment, I can take 1, 5, 6, 8 are in waiting list. Rest of all I cannot openly take and very promptly reject. See, this is what GD. As an individual, I know many. I know this second candidate, your name, he looks confident when I can personally meet him. When I take seventh candidate, when I personally meet her, she looks very confident. Fourth one, very confident and taking a lot of good turns and trying to establish the fact. But as a whole, when you are in group, your dynamism is different. Like the one I take this boy as an example. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you look very confident, but your language, your utterances, your performance, your speech, all that made you to be very, very ill-confident. So, spoken language helps us to be very confident. Alright? Nothing more than that for this discussion. But one good comment that I have written, look at third comment in general comments. You read, you enjoy it. Okay? You can enjoy it. But I cannot give you a job. Okay? For all as I have written that third comment very well, I may not accept you all after group discussion for further rounds of my interview process. Thank you. And general comments to all in the class. Claps to all of us.